Superior Plastech provides custom moulded products or CNC machining for any of your plastic solutions. Superior Plastech's state-of-the-art machine allows you to do custom rotomoulding. This biaxial rotation carousel machine allows for the different moulds to be inserted into the oven with minimal downtime. Such efficiency really contributes to low-cost products. Rotomoulding is used to manufacture many everyday products, such as these custom tanks, this marina trolley, or this marine buoy and cardinal marker. Even the humble pile caps on every Superior pontoon are manufactured in our own rotomoulding factory. Our team constantly applies innovation to our product development. New products flow through the CNC machining centre to allow us to put them into our rotomoulding ovens to provide better products for you.